Le verbe pronominaux. Le verbe pronominaux, you call them in English as reflexive verbs. Le verbe pronominaux help us to tell about things that comes back to us, ourselves, themselves, things like that. We have le verbe se lever. Le verbe se lever is the verb to wake up, or you can even say the verb to get off the bed. So we say je me lève, tu te lèves, il se lève, elle se lève, nous nous levons, vous vous levez, il se lève, elle se lève. These verbs tells us, it help us to tell when we wake up. So je me lève will just say I wake up. When you say je me lève à 6 heures, it means I wake up at 6 a.m. Tu te lèves à 8 heures, means you wake up at 8 a.m. We use the preposition à because it's at. Okay? Il se lève, elle se lève à 9 heures. Means he or she wakes up at 9. Nous nous levons à 5 heures et demie. It means 5:30. Vous vous levez à 6 heures et quart. It means you wake up at 6:15. Okay? Here à 6h10 means you wake up at 6:10. Now, se coucher. The verb to go to bed or the verb to sleep. Je me couche means I sleep or I go to bed. Tu te couches, il se couche, elle se couche. Nous nous couchons, vous vous couchez, il se couche, elle se couche. These two verbs are verbs of first group. That's why the endings are E, ES, EONS, EZ, ENT. Same thing, you use the preposition à. À 21h means at 9 p.m. À 22h means at 10 p.m. À minuit means at midnight. You can go for both. À 22h30 means 10:30. À 23h15 means 11:15. À 23h30 it means 11:30. This verb right here helps you to tell when you wake up, and this one helps you to tell when you sleep. Okay?